Welcome. This is my 6th episode in the series called It's So Hot That. This is supposed to be the antidote to those silly videos you see on YouTube where people cherry pick the local reports of cold weather to try to imply that the earth is cooling when in fact it's warming. These are the instances that they've missed out of their videos. It's useful sometimes to remember what are hot weather phenomena and what are cold weather phenomena, because they actually mix these things up. Heat waves, thunderstorms, hail, tornadoes, hurricanes, droughts, retreating snow and ice, torrential rain and high humidity are hot weather phenomena. Cold weather phenomena include cold snaps, snowstorms, sleet, freezing rain, frosts, advancing snow and ice, and low humidity. It seems that Lapland is getting in on the high temperature stakes. It recorded its hottest day in over 100 years. Temperature reached 34 degrees centigrade or 92.5 degrees Fahrenheit within the Arctic Circle. Apparently some people are linking this to the high pressure dome that is settled over the western United States. We had 2 tornadoes in the Washington DC area this last week. One was in about half a mile of our home. Roads were closed, trees were down, and power out to thousands of people. The last time this happened was in 2001. The folks down under aren't immune to these heat waves either. Severe thunderstorms hit Perth, Western Australia this week. Winds of over 117 kilometers per hour. Over an inch of rain has fallen so far. It is the third of 5 cold fronts forecast to hit the area. Severe weather and heat advisories have been issued for the northeast. New England's been hit with hail and damaging winds. This heat advisory has affected over 40 million people. Tropical storm Elsa unexpectedly strengthened back to being a Category 1 hurricane before it hit Florida. It already had finished lashing Cuba and was now affecting the Keys and the west coast of Florida. It then turned to the northeast and went up the eastern seaboard. It then produced heavy rain and flooding all along the east coast. We're now beginning to see the true death toll from the heat wave that hit the Pacific Northwest. Oregon has upped its heat-related deaths to 95, British Columbia to 486, and Washington State to 20. And also, all along the coast, billions of sea creatures have died of the heat. June was the warmest June on record in North America. It's the second warmest June in Europe, the 4th warmest June globally, following behind 2016, 2019, and 2020. All records are being shattered by as much as 5 degrees centigrade. Colorado has had to ban fishing due to low water flow, fire hazard, and high temperatures. It affects a 120-mile stretch of the Colorado River. Water temperatures are exceeding 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees centigrade, which is highly unusual for this early in the season. Now we hear that a second heat wave is hitting Southern California and Nevada. Death Valley records a record temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit or over 54 degrees centigrade, one of the highest temperatures measured anywhere on the planet. The largest fire of the year is on the California-Nevada border, and 2 die when a fire plane crashes. Let's summarize all of this with our usual comparison between high and low temperature records. Globally, we've had 1,283 new record high temperatures compared with only 205 record lows. That's a ratio of 6-to-1 favoring high temperatures. The conclusion from that is that the earth is still warming. Have you got any good It's So Hot jokes? Because I'm running out of ammunition here. So if you've got any, please pass them on. So until next time, stay safe and goodbye.